I'm Grita Tita Gita Mayor. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, share so that others will also be equipped about their potential. And if you are new, don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I will upload a new video. In this channel, you will receive wisdom for living. We are now on day 360. Question your own limitations. Saan ibig sabihin nito? So, pakinggan natin para mas clear sa bawat isa sa atin. Our text is found in Mark 10:27. Jesus looked at them and said, "With men this is impossible, but not with God. All things are possible with God." So it means, sa tao lang may imposible. Pero kay God, lahat ay posible. Pero ang sabi rin hapon, di ba yung ating text na sabi, whatever you think, do it because God is with you. So it means you have to believe, you have to remind yourself about these promises that God has given us. At sabi ni God, all things are possible. With God, all things are possible. So it means we must believe that God will, hindi naman tayong gagawa, it is God. So, Jesus Christ is our example when He came here on earth and showed to us how to live a life according to the design God has given us. Just believe. Maniwala ka lang. Jesus Christ, the specimen of humanity, who best demonstrated the unlimited nature of the potential in mankind, said everything is possible for him who believes. Mark 9:23b. What daring spirit this statement ignites. It makes us question our own limitations and disagree with our fears. So, question your own limitations. It means you have to have the breakthrough. Kailangan nating maniwala, and that has something to do with our mindset. So, yung ating mindset, kailangan yung naka-frame na belief dyan ay kung ano yung sinasabi ng Manual of Life na kapag sinabi ng Manual of Life, you can do everything, nothing is impossible. To those who believe, it means, tama lang yung verse na, whatever you think, do it, God is with you. And Jesus is a perfect demonstration. Maraming ginawa si Jesus na masasabi nating miracle above norms kasi nga namuhay siya ng may pananampalataya. He demonstrated the unlimited nature of the potential in mankind. Pinakita niya kung ano yung galing na mayroon ang bawat tao na kapag mamuhay kasi, syempre siya ay pumunta dito sa earth, hindi siya pwedeng manatili kung wala siyang body. So, he need a physical body in order to live on earth. So, namuhay si Jesus na just to give us salvation, restore our salvation, but He also demonstrated a life how to maximize the potential that we possess. So each one of us ay may kanya-kanyang galing, may kanya-kanyang potential na binigay ang ating tagapaglikha ayon sa disenyo niya according sa kanyang purpose. Kagaya ng isang manufacturer, ito yung illustration. It is a known fact that every manufacturer designs his product to fulfill a specific purpose and equips it with the necessary components and ability to function according to that purpose. Therefore, the potential of a product is determined and established by the purpose for which the manufacturer made it. As we have known before that each one of us, before we were born, before God created the human being, He has already in mind the purpose. So since God knows the purpose, He also made known to us because nothing is mystery. It is written in the Manual of Life. So, ang purpose ni God ay nakasulat sa Manual of Life na atin na nakita, which is to dominate. At dahil sa purpose na yan, binigyan niya tayo ng lahat ng ating kakayahan, lahat ng resources, personality, experiences, even the people around us, the perfect place for us, ay naihanda niya na. At kailangan lang nating tuklasin. So it means everything that we need in order to fulfill the purpose why we were born is already there, had been provided. Kasi yung isang manufacturer ay kailangan alam niya kung ano yung purpose niya para alam niya kung ano ilalagay niya ng mga piyesa, mga parts, di ba? For example, this cellphone, the primary purpose of a cellphone is for communication. Yung mga YouTube, manood ka, picture, mga laro, additional feature na lang yan, but the main purpose is for communication. It is for call, video, chat, messages, so, text. So, marami siyang mga ways, lahat ng karamihan yata na ways na para makakommunicate ay nasa cellphone. So, lahat na kailangan para matupad yung layunin ay lagay niya lahat ng mga parts, lahat na gadgets, lahat na piyesa na kakailanganin para matupad yung layunin nito. So it means it is determined the purpose, the ability, the potential that we possess is determined according to God's purpose. So kaya pinaka-basic natin, di ba, ay malaman kung ano yung purpose, bakit tayo nabubuhay sa mundong ito, then makikita mo na yung potential mo ay unti-unting lalabas, matutuklasan mo kasi nag-focus ka doon eh. So, every potential gifts, skills, personality, people, resources ay gin-prepare na ni God na para ma-fulfill yung ating layunin sa buhay. So, it means you possess a potential. This very principle is inherent throughout creation. The master creator and designer established his purpose for each item in creation and built into each the ability or potential to perform and fulfill that purpose or assignment. For example, the purpose for seeds is to produce plants. Therefore, by design, all seeds possess the ability and potential to produce plants. Because the purpose is to produce, so therefore, the plants or the trees have the ability and potential to produce plants. Kasi yun yung layunin. At yung ability na yon na mag-reproduce, ayan, tignan natin. This ability to reproduce does not, however, guarantee that seed will produce a plant. This is the tragedy of nature. The destruction of a seed is in essence the termination of a forest. So, kapag ang ability daw na ito, however, ay nandyan sa bawat isa sa atin, pero hindi nagagaranti na produce siya ng plants. Kung mamatay ito, syempre, yung kanyang ability to produce a forest will not be fulfilled. So, the destruction of a seed ay nasa termination. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang isang seed ay namatay, isang forest yung mawawala. Ayun, ganun katindi. So, sa ganun din sa buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Kapag hindi natin natuklasan yung dahilan bakit tayo nabubuhay sa mundong ito, ay henerasyon yung maaapektuhan. Kaya napakahalaga ka. You are significant. That's why we need to discover it. Okay, so the principle na each creation kanina ay mayroong kakayahan. So this principle can be applied to all God's created beings. For example, your life is a result of a purpose in the mind of God that requires your existence. You were created because there is something God wants done that demands your presence on this planet. So, ganun ka kahalaga. So, you exist because there is something that you're going to do. You were created because there is something God wants done through you. Mayroong demand si God. Kailangan ka mabuhay kasi mayroong kang gagawin. At yung gagawin mo na yon, siyang naglagay, syempre, gin-equip ka rin niya ng lahat ng kailangan mo. Kailangan lang natin ito tuklasin. So, you were designed and dispatched on earth because of a mission. So, you were designed and dispatched for destiny. This destiny and purpose is also the key to your ability. You were created with the inherent abilities, talents, gifts, and inclinations to fulfill this purpose. Just as a bird is designed to fly, a fish to swim, and an apple tree to bear fruit. Even so, you possess the potential to be all you were born to be. Your life has the potential to fulfill your purpose. So it means may galing ka, may potential ka, may gift ka, inherent, naka-built in. So wala sa school, wala sa business, wala sa pera, wala sa lugar, wala sa magulang mo, wala kung kanino man, wala sa iba, wala sa ibang lugar, wala sa pag-a-abroad. It's in you. It's trapped within you. Ayong kahapon, di ba, yung handicap na kung saan hindi naghadlang sa kanya para mailabas niya yung kanyang potential. At ayun nga, naging national treasure yung kanyang obra maestra. Now, how about you and me? We have also that potential. We also possess that potential that we need to release and serve to our generation. Ikaw, meron ka, kailangan mo lang baguhin ang iyong mindset at paglaanan ito ng panahon. So, kapag ka nakita mo kasi ito, sigurado mag-i-enjoy ka. Kasi bawat isa, walang ipinanganak na walang purpose, walang ipinanganak na aksidente. Lahat ay mayroon. Ano pa mang klaseng kapag kapanganak sa'yo, mayroon talaga yan. Kasi nga, naipanganak ka sa mundong ito. Your birth is an evidence that you are born to do something. Your birth is an evidence that you are going to succeed. Kailangan mo lang sundin yung batas at tuntunin na nailatag o nailagay sa Manual of Life. At kailangan natin ng mentor. So, kagaya nito, makinig ka lagi sa aking mga videos na aking ina-upload everyday so that you will be taught, you will be equipped, and you will be encouraged and motivated, and you will be able to know what to do in life para makita mo yung purpose mo at yung potential mo para saan ito. So it means all the resources, all the blessings that you possess, ay may purpose yan para matupad ang layunin bakit ka nabubuhay sa mundong ito. So what are you doing with the inherent abilities, talents, gifts, and inclination that you possess? Are you using it according to the Creator's purpose? Ginagamit mo ba ito? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Are you using it according to the Creator's purpose? Ginagamit mo ba ito ayon sa layunin ng tagapaglikha? Ginagamit mo ba ito ayon sa disenyo ng ating tagapaglikha? So, just leave a comment below. So, thanks for watching. God bless.